Hey guys, welcome to Simpler Futures and our video for Thursday, May the 4th. Taking a look at the gold tonight. We want to take a look and see some of the patterns this thing's setting up and where are we right now. I mentioned earlier that I thought this move that we went to would stall out around 1300. Why did I say that? Well, first of all, running from, let's run it from, take a look at a couple of different highs. Here was a high that we put in over here in July, and let's run it to this level right here. That's a 62% retracement. The market ran up to it. We had a brief visit right above it, and then it sold off. Now let's take a look at the move that we saw from this high down to the low. You can see we took out the 62%. We hesitated here, sold off, and then took it out. Well, when we were not able to generate another move above this 62% up to this full correction, that kind of throws up a warning flag for me. Well, this was a big spike, so let's take this high to this low and see where the market went. Well, it went well above the 62%, but still stopped short of reaching a full correction here. So that tells me we may be in for more weakness to the downside. So as we go forward, here's our next move. We've got from this corrective low up to this high, we've now taken out 62%. Just as I was looking for a 100% move or a complete retracement of this from this low here up to this high, what I would be looking for now would be a complete retracement back to this low right there. Now, and it's the same pattern that we put in over here off of this level. So what we're doing, I'm going to take a look and see as we go forward here, as we begin to generate, if we get a little bit of a rebound. Now it's still in an area, this was the first close below the 62%. If we follow through with the downside to the downside tomorrow, then this target of 1,200 may be in play. That's about a $28 move to the downside. Now it may not take long to get there, but when we get there, this level right there at 1,200 is going to be that support. If it breaks the support, then I would have to be looking at the next level of support being down around 1,120. So that's what we're looking at in gold. Guys, good opportunities in here abound. We've got cattle that has just gone crazy, and I'm looking for some reversals off of that. The grain markets are now heating up with a lot of rain that we've had, cold weather. It's kind of spooked these markets, and we've seen some pretty good moves off of them. What's going to happen now that we've got healthcare, something on the table for healthcare to get reformed? Is that going to be another market mover? And then we've got crude trading at 45, 49. Where's crude going to? Those are some of the things that we've got going on. And then, and that's not even looking at currencies. But so guys, we've got a lot going on here. But just look at these patterns and how the market shapes up around these areas of support and resistance, just off of simple Fibonacci retracements. Good trading, trade smart, trade with stops, and we'll see you in the next update.